There's been another mid-air drama for Qantas, this time on its budget carrier Jetstar. A Brisbane to Mackay flight with 170 passengers on board was forced to turn around just 20 minutes into the flight.
Loud noise coming from the hydraulics. The landing gear, I think it was.
After a while, the captain came on and said that we got problems with the landing gear, hasn't come up, so we've got to turn around and come back to Brisbane.
The Airbus A320 flew past the airport control tower to make sure its landing gear was securely down before being given the all clear to land.